Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life review and installation of the Spigen GLAStR Easy Fit tempered glass for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we're going to put the tempered glass on the phone, so you'll be seeing the installation process. Then I'll be using the phone and then I'll be telling you my experience with this. So I've used a lot of Spigen GLAStR products, so I'll be talking about my experience, what to expect from this. There are different ones also. I will be making a video on a different tempered glass too, so you can compare that later on. So let's go ahead, do the setup and then talk more about it. Let's go. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what is my experience with this. Let's talk about the setup process itself. So now you get a lot of tempered glass in the market. Tempered glass are actually cheap. This one is a little expensive because of its frame, the plastic frame that you get. So what that frame does is you don't have to align. So when you put a tempered glass, you always have to align it on the phone. So you have to hold it from four sides and then put it down perfectly at an angle where it is equal from all the sides. So it's a task, it's a process. You can't really just put it once and then remove it and then put it again and then the tempered glass goes bad. So with this, that frame, as in you just put the frame on it, the frame will not go left, right or anything. It will go straight in and then stick the tempered glass. So that's it, you don't have to do anything. So anyone who doesn't even have experience with this can install tempered glass. It's so easy. The only thing you have to remember is the screen has to be clean. You have to be in a place where there's no, so right now there's no fan, no nothing, only AC is on. So you have to sit in a place where there's no dust and all flying, so that when you're putting the tempered glass, small specks of dust and all should not come on the screen, and then that will create a bubble. So that should not happen. Now you do get a sticker which is actually a dust remover picker. So after you clean the screen, make sure you do that once, just stick it on the screen once, so that will make sure that the small dust particles that you can't see, even that is picked up by that. And then just put the case on top of it, and then remove the sticker, and then just push it. You get a squishy with it. You just do like that, and then it's done. So it's that easy. The tempered glass is actually compatible with the cases. So I have a case on it right now, so it's compatible with it. It does not push it out. Whether you're using a heavy duty one or a regular one like this, regular plastic one, it's going to be compatible with all of them. And it's a very thin tempered glass which is curved in the corner. So you would have seen a lot of tempered glass which are cut straight. So the other covers will just push it out. This one will not be pushed out. So the quality of it is really good. And one thing which I like about the GLAStR series, not only this, I've used it on a lot of different phones, is that they have a coating on it which actually is very smooth. So when you're actually using the phone, the feeling is very good, and when water falls on it, the water just creates droplets and just slips out. It does not stay on the phone. So that's something which I liked. So for the price, I don't think it's that expensive, but yes, you can get something much cheaper than this. For 500 rupees nowadays, you get a case and the cover. I'll be putting that video also maybe tomorrow or day after. So if you don't have a budget of 1000 something, then you can actually look for cheaper versions which are good too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And if you want to see the same video in a different language like Hindi or Malayalam, I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. Bye bye.